Guys, what's up? Welcome to this new video. So in this video, it's gonna be a quick one. I'm going to show you exactly how to do a backup of your website. Now, for example, this is a site that I've just been working on. This is your template, by the way. Let's say I want to do some little changes about this website, and I might get some one or two things bad. I might spoil one or two things on this website because I'm trying to experiment. Then the best thing to do is for me to have a backup of my website. So once I have the backup, I'll be able to make sure that whatever I do, I can still restore the backup I have and have my website back up and running. So this is what I'm going to show you is a simple way to back up your website using a simple plugin. Now, to do that, all you need to do is to go to the back end of your website. Now remember, everybody needs to back up his or her website once in a while, so you need to make sure you always have a backup of your website so as to avoid stories that touch. Trust me, I've had a lot of sites that that I've gotten issues with and I don't have the backup, and I know how hard life was during that time. So I've learned my lessons, and that's why I'm showing you exactly how to do this stuff. So to do that, go to this section, go to this plugin section and click on add new. So we're going to be backing up our website using a simple plugin or a free plugin known as all-in-one migration. So the name of the plugin we're going to be using is called all-in-one migration. So just type all-in-one migration here. So all-in-one migration to, okay, let me type it in full, and it's going to pull up the plugin right now. So this is the plugin here, all-in-one migration. This second one here, this one is for SEO. If you want me to talk about SEO, you can tell me and I will do that in other videos. But for this video, we're focusing on how to back up our website easily. So what you want to do right now is to install this plugin, and after installing it, we are going to activate it, of course. So it's installing right now, and after installed, then we'll activate it. So after activating it, then we can move on to setting it up and backing up our website. So if you look at this section right here, this corner right here, you're going to see this section called all-in-one WP migration. So just click on it and click on import. No, export. Okay, so export simply means you want to back it up, you want to export it to somewhere. So now these are the options we have right here. As you can see, this is it's going to back up the website, both the database, everything we want. So where do we want to export it to? There's a lot of options here, but some of them are pro features, but the one we're going to be using now is free. So you can back up on your Dropbox or your Google Drive, and a whole lot of options here, but we want to back it up on as a file on our desktop or on our laptop. So this option here is for free, so you can use this file option here. So what is going to happen is going to start preparing the export. Is going to it's going to aggregate everything and start preparing the export. So once it's done, as you can see here, is archiving 900 and something media files, and it's 36% complete and the rest of them. So it's going to try to aggregate a lot of things, and once it's done with it, then we can have the option to download our backup. Very, very, very simple, guys. This plugin is very simple to do, and I want you guys to go ahead and start backing up your website. Trust me, there's a lot of updates here on WordPress, and it's always advisable for you to be able to back up your website once in a while before you do anything. As you can see right here on the screen here, we have this option to download this backup. Now the backup is 640 MB, which is okay. So this website is 640 MB. So if I click on this download option, it's going to start downloading this stuff on our website, on our desktop immediately. But I'm not going to download it right now. I just want to show you exactly how to do it. So if I click on this close section and go to backups and go to backup, we're going to see that we have this backup generated. So we can also come back right here and download the backup if we want. Then at any point in time after downloading it, let's say you are migrating from one host to another, or you want to maybe you have harmed your website and you want to restore the backup. So what you need to do is to click on import, and once you click on import, it's going to ask you to that, drag and drop the file here. So what you want to do right now is to click here and click on file, and make sure you select the file that you have downloaded. Okay, so let's say you have backed up your site before and you want to restore it. You need to select the file that you've backed up before and click on it in order to restore it. I want to believe you understand what I'm saying. So if you have any question, tell me in the comment section. So this is how you back up and restore your WordPress website. Very, very simple, all with the help of a plugin called all-in-one WP migration. So I believe this tutorial was very helpful. So this is a quick video. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon, because I have a lot of videos that are coming your way very soon. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Like I said, subscribe, turn on the bell icon, share this video to people that it will be of help to. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you very much.